Hello everyone and welcome back to Hussain Psychology. Today we are going to talk about coping with anxiety, how to handle those worries and fears when they start to feel too big or overwhelming. We all worry sometimes, but when anxiety takes over, it can be really hard to manage. In this episode, I will share some practical tips and real life stories to help you find calm and control. Let me introduce you to Sarah, who lives in Sydney. Sarah loves her job as a graphic designer, but lately she's been feeling anxious every morning before work. Her mind races with what if questions. What if she makes a mistake? What if she can't finish her project on time? Sometimes her chest feels tight and she just wants to avoid everything. Sarah didn't want to tell anyone because she thought she should just snap out of it. But after talking to a friend, she learned some ways to cope with her anxiety. So what does it mean to cope with anxiety? Coping means using strategies to handle or reduce the stress and worry you feel. It's about finding ways to feel safe and calm. Even when your mind feels busy or scared, coping skills don't make anxiety disappear instantly, but they help you manage it so it doesn't control your life. Let's look at common coping techniques. Simple but powerful ways to cope with anxiety. First one is deep breathing. Taking slow, deep breaths can calm your body's stress response. Try breathing in 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and breathing out for 4 seconds. Grounding exercises. When your mind races, focus on what is around you. For example, name 5 things you can see, and 4 things that you can touch, and 3 things that you can hear, and 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. This helps bring you back to the present moment. Physical activity. Exercise releases chemicals in your brain that help you feel better and less stressed. Even a short walk can help. Positive self-talk. Notice the thoughts in your mind instead of I can't do this. Try saying I'm doing my best, and that's enough. Talking to someone, sharing your feelings with a friend, family member, or counselor can help you feel supported and less alone. What coping skills Sarah might need? After learning these techniques, she started practicing deep breathing every morning. When she felt overwhelmed at work, she used grounding exercises to calm her mind. She also talked to her best friend about her worries, which helped her feel less isolated. Sarah didn't get rid of her anxiety overnight, but these small steps made a big difference in her daily life. Do you know when to get professional help? Sometimes anxiety can feel too big to manage alone. If you notice your anxiety is stopping you from doing things you love or causing a physical problem like a constant headaches or stomach pain, it's important to talk to a doctor or mental health professional. They can offer support and treatment tailored to you. Remember, coping with anxiety is a journey. It's okay to have tough days, and it's okay to ask for help. You are not alone, and you can learn to live well even with anxiety. Thank you for watching this episode of Hussain Psychology. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Share your own coping tips or questions in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Next episode, we will explore depression and how to recognize its early signs. Until then, take care of your mind and remember, you are stronger than your worries. See ya.